So here you can see that I got a very simple Photoshop document with 3 layers in it. So I have 3 layers. So one is the color, the other is the outline, and the other is face. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to import this out in Toon Boom Harmony. So if you want to learn more about Photoshop, you can take a look at my Photoshop tutorial playlist as well. So let us just continue and go to File right here. I'm going to click on Save As, and then I'm going to save the character.psd file right here. I already renamed it in my case. In your case, you may want to rename it as any file name as you want. Save it as PSD, select the layer files, checked on, and I'm going to click on Save. And I want to enable this, so maximize compatibility. So this helps us with importing PSD files in other applications like Toon Boom. So I'm going to press OK. So once I do that, I'm going to go to Toon Boom now, and in Toon Boom, I'm going to click on File, Import, Images right over here. So then I'm going to click on Browse, choose the character that I saved from Photoshop and press Open. So once I do that, I'm going to choose this options, create layers based on file names. I don't want to give manual file names there. And for import options, import as Toon Boom bitmap drawing, because it's a bitmap format of image that we are importing. And in rules, vertical fit, alpha, I'm just going to keep it to straight, no changes. I'm going to press OK, and another dialog box will open. Here it says create individual layers. This is what I want, individual layers. I don't want group layers or single layer. I want individual layers. Transparency, straight, no other options right over here. So once I do that, I'm going to press OK, and there you go. I got the file right over there with all of the layers, as you can see right over here. So there's the color right there and everything else. So what I can do is I can go over here and then move it out. So I can move these out, move these colors individually. As you can see, I can move the outline over here. I can move the face over here as well. So I can select all 3 of these and I can move them out, do an animation just like this. So move them out over here on the back and on the front over here. So once I select the face right over here, just like that, just move the face down over here, and there is the face down and up over here just like that. So there you go. That's the animation out of the graphics that we imported. But since this is a raster graphics, there's not much editing features available for it. So you do have to draw on top of it. So this is how you bring in the Photoshop raster layers inside of Toon Boom. So that's how you import Photoshop layers inside of Toon Boom Harmony. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.